Welcome to our video on enhancing your urban planning and development business using drones. Today, we'll explore valuable resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some essential books. Titles like Urban Planning and Development with Drones by 1000 Rahim offer comprehensive insights into drone-based urban planning. Next, consider tuning into informative podcasts. The Drone Show and Drone Talk cover industry news, technology, and regulations, keeping you updated on the latest trends. YouTube is another great resource. Videos like Urban Planning and Development with Drones by DJI showcase practical applications of drones in urban planning. AI tools can significantly enhance your drone operations. Platforms like Drone-E-Deploy and Precision Hawk offer automated flight modes, mapping, and data analysis. For hands-on learning, various courses are available. Drone Pilot Ground School and DJI's Drone Flight Training Program cover regulations, safety, and flight techniques. Combining these resources will provide a well-rounded understanding of drone-based urban planning. Books, podcasts, videos, AI tools, and courses each offer unique benefits. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you improve your urban planning and development business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.